Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed Hamari, and today's question that I will be answering is: what would happen if there was only one world with no borders? Would it be more peaceful? Living in one world with no borders is something idealistic because we cannot share our skills and opportunities to other communities. And we may have conflicts and conflicts and problems that we'll be facing if we are really serious with applying this system in 20 or 50 years. To start with the point, with the answer to the question is the word globalization can define the whole question. And the word globalization means, what does it mean? It means gathering and gathering all resources and goods and put it in one big compound, and the person or the company that controls this compound will share it through the communities and societies. And the word globalization, it matches with the word monopoly. Monopoly is also means taking all the benefits, all the goods through to your benefits. But living in one country have disadvantages and advantages. One of disadvantages is lack of food. We may face lack of food if we are really serious with applying this system, because we're gonna face lack of food in Africa, also in Asia, and maybe in 20 or 50 years. Also in Latin America, the poorest country in Latin America is Bolivia. 60% of Bolivians, they are living below the line of poverty. And solving this problem, I think we should make big organizations that share the enough amount of food and spread it through the whole through the areas that facing the poverty in a big and fair deal. The second problem that we may have is lack of jobs. The technology is going crazy. Technology is going to something like we can't control it. We can't control the development of technology, and we may face the lack of jobs because the scientists have considered that we may use robots instead of using humans, and it's like the modern revolution that we had in Britain, the industrial revolution. Now we're going to have technology revolution, and the advantage of the living in one country, the medicine, we may produce one cure, and we may save money instead of wasting billions of money of billions on disease that till now we couldn't find all the treatments of the disease. The third disadvantage is the education. We may use the Finland education system, which is the best education around the world, the best first education around the world, because 900 millions that cannot read and write. I think I have summarized the questions, and I have given my opinion in great ideas. In conclusion, applying system is good, but it has also the limits of sharing the fair deal through all the communities with no racism or because it's religious or something that we are facing nowadays. Thank you for your listening.